Faceless YouTube videos provide content creators with the freedom to express themselves without revealing their identity. This format allows for privacy and comfort while producing engaging content. It opens up opportunities for anyone to share their passion, ideas, or knowledge on a platform known for diverse audience reach. Choosing a niche is vital for your Faceless YouTube channel. Focus on topics that ignite your passion and curiosity, like gaming, education, or animation. A well-defined niche helps you attract a dedicated audience, ensuring your content resonates with viewers and establishing your authority in that particular field. In Faceless YouTube videos, your voice becomes your primary identifier. Investing in a high-quality microphone is essential for clear audio. Developing an engaging voiceover style captivates viewers, holds their attention, and builds a connection, making your content more memorable and enhancing the overall viewing experience. Utilizing stock footage is a powerful way to enhance your faceless videos. Sites like Pixabay and Pexels provide a vast array of royalty-free images and clips that visually support your narrative. This not only saves time and resources but also enriches the overall quality and professionalism of your content. Mastering basic video editing skills is essential for creating standout faceless videos. Editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro and free alternatives such as DaVinci Resolve provide the tools needed to enhance your footage. Learning to edit effectively allows you to produce polished and visually appealing content that captivates your audience. Crafting compelling thumbnails is crucial as they serve as the first impression of your video. Use design tools like Canva to create eye-catching visuals that are not only clickable but also effectively convey your video's essence. A strong thumbnail can significantly increase viewer engagement and boost your video's performance. Optimizing your videos for SEO is essential for visibility on YouTube. By incorporating relevant keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your content's search rankings. This strategy not only ensures your videos are easily discoverable but also helps you connect with a larger audience. Promoting your faceless videos on social media is crucial for increasing visibility and engagement. Platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok provide excellent opportunities to share your content and attract followers. By leveraging these channels, you can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and build a community around your unique content. Engaging with your audience is vital for fostering a supportive community, even without a visual presence. Actively respond to comments, seek viewer feedback, and encourage subscriptions and shares. This interaction not only strengthens viewer loyalty but also enhances the overall experience, making your channel more dynamic and appealing. In conclusion, creating faceless YouTube videos is an exciting and fulfilling journey. By applying the tips shared, you can effectively express your creativity while maintaining your privacy. Embrace the process and start producing your unique content today, as the possibilities are limitless in the world of faceless video creation.